Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Shilpa Verma. I'm a consultant physician. In the monsoons, we see a surge of patients coming in with complaints of sneezing, coughing, chest infections and breathlessness. One of the commonest reasons for this is moisture level increase in the house. So drying of clothes increases humidity and moisture levels inside the home, which causes the fungus, the spores and the germs to grow. The most important tip for this season is do not dry your clothes inside your home. Have a safe and happy and enjoyable monsoons.